Look at this. Any Filipinos knows this kind of fish. And a friend of ours went to Seafood City, Chicago last month and bought this for us. It is actually a very good kind of fish. Ang ganda, diba? Fresh na fresh. It just reminds me of the fish from California. You can actually fish this for free in one of the bay there. Wish I can go back and fish it myself because they are huge. This one is cute. Those ones they have is fatter, healthier. I mean, this is healthy too for sure. Anong pangalan nito? O, diba? Ang ganda. Ay, kakalinis ko lang nito. Yes, ganito. Maganda. Lalagay ko na sa freezer kasi hindi ko pa naman iluluto. Akala ko magluluto ako ngayon pero hindi. O ano, alam niyo na ang pangalan. Ang ganda-ganda niya, diba? Madami. Mura ito nung panahon. President Corazon Aquino. Yung tatay ko may hilig nitong mag-ihaw. Sarap. Sarap ihawin. Kami bata pa noon, marami kami. 8 magkakapatid, kaya yung mga mura lang nabibili ng tatay namin noon para ipakain sa amin. Pero ang sarap kung mag-ihaw yung tatay ko na yun. Yeah. Sadly, he passed away. I really like and appreciate all the grilled food that he cooked for us as his children. And even my aunt and uncles in Hawaii, they said he really likes grilling and he is really good on that part, and that I really appreciate. Until now, he even grilled me liver. Yun ang dahilan kaya masyadong ngayon hindi na ako masyado sa liver kasi bata pa lang ako, napakain ng liver kasi anemic nga ako, kaya lagi ang pinapakain nun. Ay nako. Oh, ano to? Alam niyo ang pangalan? Let me know. Nagkwento lang po kasi kailangan ng WH. Sana may mga makatulong dyan. Watch